turned on in this system. See, it is getting this one is catch as per through of this one wire. Now already we are connection given to phase and neutral, so here one phase, so this is the phase and it is going to 95 96. So here 95 and 96 because this is OLR for overload relay. If in case any short circuit or it getting high amps, that time is it is getting tripped, so that's why we are using for OLR. So it is going to 95 for NC. Now I taking another wire for 96 here. Okay, this one wire 96. It is phase and it is going to. I have a switch button is it is not NC, so I am using this one selector switch. I have on the NO, so that's why I will using selector switch for off button. So here it is series connection. So and input you will get and output you need output. So output is given and now it is getting one on. Now we are getting off button. Now we are this one is on button, so this is also loop from here. Series connection, same this one also phase. This one also phase. Now I take another one output for one wire here. So I will output fit the output and now okay, now this wire going to A1 means A1 and A2 means coil voltage. If in case here not given A1 and A voltage power not given, contract not press, so that's why we are giving A1 to phase and A2 means neutral. So here we are getting phase here. So these are the methods of DOL starter connection, this one. And now remaining, we need neutral here. So this is the neutral MCB. So I remove this one. In output, we give an output here. We give an output here. Okay, this is the neutral wire, so we are giving here A2. See here A2. Here A2. So here complete power. So this here see, one is this one is okay, sorry, this one is phase, this one is phase, and phase is red color is phase. It is going to 95 and going after it is catch to 96. It is and going to close switch button, and it's going to loop, and here on switch button it's NO, so it is going to here, and it is going to A1. So these are the method, and A2 means direct from neutral. So these are the method. So now it is going to press the button, otherwise it is not getting catch. So we need NO from here. See here, it is getting on, close, on, close. We need to here push button switch, but now we need only at a time catching. If in case one time press, it is going to power. So that's why on button. So here one is looping from here to here NO. This one is here, see, this is the continuity method. So here this one is NC. We touch on the NO. So see, this one is NO and this one is NC. This one is NC and this one is NO. So we need one wire is to NO. So this one in below. So one wire here to this one given to NO, and NO is to here, output in from here, this one, see, this one output to A1. See, I will taking another one also. One wire to here too. From here to here. So A1. Now what is happening? I will explain about what is the happening in here. Here this one is phase to 95 and it is getting loop in 96, and this one is off switch button. It is going to this through of power, and it is going to power on switch button, on switch button is power going to here A1. Okay, this is the point clear. And if in hold, when it is we are not getting too much time hold, that's why we are giving this one wire. So here what is happening in this wire, when getting this here power, it is going to power through here to NO normally open, it is going to, when it is not contract catch, that time it is going to NC. So once NC it is converted to that time its power is going to this through off way. And continuously, when continuously power going to this way of power. So when it is getting off, that time it is closed off, this one is also off. So these are the method of the DOL starter connection. So I will now I will on the switch button, what is happening I will show you. Okay, I don't have the this one switch NC switch, so that's why I'm using for selector switch. So now it is getting NC mode, now NC mode. So now I will turn it on. So see here, now I will turn it on this system. See, it is getting this one is catch as per through of this one wire. Now see, again I will in this unit turn it off, means here I will no options. Now again I will show you, turn it on and turn it off. This one turn it off, because I don't have NC contractor, NC switches, that means off switches. So now this one is okay, leave it here, catching. So these are the method of DOL starter connection. So I think hopefully you are understand this diagrams. If in case you need doubt, please comment below, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and likes and share, please. Thank you for watching.